Hey there guys, welcome to K-Sed's double box break number 381 of 13-14 Panini Dominion. Camera focus there. So last and ending the break was the Edmonton Oilers on February 6th at 8:31 p.m. Eastern Time. So we're going to go to eBay's current date and time. Just going to right click, the reload. It's currently Friday, February 7th at 12:03 a.m. Eastern Time. Breaking live on Breakers TV as per normal for our breaks. 381. These are boxes 5 and 6 from the case, and our serial numbers tonight are 770674231685 and 1639 is our other last 4 digits. To our serial numbers. 770674231639 and 1685 is our second one. So I'll set you guys up here, your serial numbers, and we'll get started, everybody. So good luck, guys. Just to let you know, Dominion case break number 22 is posted, the random team one, $59 per spot. Info will be posted below. 1639. One private sign, I'll bring that to the front. So we got 5 big ones and 1 little thin one in the middle. So here we go, guys. We got base of Martin St. Louis for the Tampa Bay Lightning. And we have a redemption, the autograph. Come on. Autograph patches rookie, card number 11 of Emerson Edom for the Anaheim Ducks. So whoever has the Ducks, I can eBay message you the code if you like. And we have a rookie of Anders Lee for the New York Islanders. So we have a Pen Pals duo auto of Tom Wilson and Stefan Mattel. 30 of 99, which is going to be rounded between the Capitals and Devils. Do that right at the end. Auto rookie patch of Ty McGinn, $2.99 for the Flyers. We have a Time Warp patches of Ryan Spooner and Cam Neely, 17 of 50. Is both Boston. On to box number 2. On camera. I don't know why it's not focusing. Come on. 1685. So good luck, guys. Turn that around. Bring that to the front. So we got 5 big ones and 1 little thin one on the back. So we got base of Tuukka Rask, $2.99 for the Boston Bruins. And we got base for the LA Kings of Anze Kopitar for the Kings, $2.99. We have dual rookie showcase jersey and puck. Tyler Toffoli and Emerson Edom, 39/50. So that's going to be random between the Kings and Ducks. So just a better view of the card. So we'll do that at the end. Then we have Dominion patch auto of Dougie Hamilton, 92/99 for the Boston Bruins. Barely two color. We have a rookie auto of Dmitry Jaskin, 118/299 for the Blues. Finish the break off with a private signing of Jack Campbell for the Dallas Stars of 199. So that concludes the break, guys. So we have double the last two boxes tomorrow, and I do believe we're waiting for a book, I believe, right? For the people in the blog room, we haven't hit a book out of this case yet, right? We hit a rookie short print, and I don't think we hit a book yet. Unless I pulled that in the first few, because I know yesterday we didn't get one. Yeah, I think we're waiting for a book hit for sure, and hopefully something else out of the case still. Just give me 1 second to set up a randomizer. Okay, so I'll turn you guys around here. Okay, so I got a randomizer set up for our two multi-team randoms. So we got, the first one is Tyler Toffoli and Emerson Edom, 39/50. So that's going to be random between the Kings and Ducks. So Toffoli was listed first and Emerson Edom second, so 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. The winner is the Anaheim Ducks. You randomize this list 3 times. I don't know why the camera's not focusing. There we go. Now on to our second randomizer. Just going for our dual pen pal of Tom Wilson and Stefan Mattel. 1, 2, final time, 3. And the winner is the New Jersey Devils, and you have randomized this list 3 times, so congratulations to the multi-team winners. And we have the last 2 boxes of Dominion on the case tomorrow, and we'll be starting a new one, and SB Game Use last 2 boxes of the case.